Hey, what is up, you guys? Games for Life 124 here. Today I am bringing you guys to a brand new special video for you guys. So hope you guys will enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that bell button, and if you're new, subscribe. And let's get into the video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the verification blue stick thing. I don't know what's it called. The verification, whatever it's called, symbol for Instagram. You know, a lot of celebrities have it. Let's see. You can see Face Rug has it. See, Justin Bieber has it. Justin Bieber, whatever his name is. I don't even know his real Instagram, but yeah, Justin Bieber has it. Like a lot of famous people have it. So there is a glitch or a hack to get it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this. I'm going to be getting it on my backup account. It is JOFlow, and make sure you follow my two Instagrams, curly.j12 and JOFlow, whatever it's called. It's going to be linked in the description box below. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this blue symbol. So let's get it started. So first of all, you guys have to have jailbreak. Make sure you guys have jailbreak with Cydia. So you have to go on Cydia, right? And then you go to the search button, and then in search button you will go right here, then type in Instagram. So let me retype it, Instagram. Now you're gonna have a few choices. You're going, oh shoot, don't pick that. You are going to be picking Instagram plus the yellow one. So make sure you pick the yellow one. Now go to this corner, press reinstall, press confirm. Now you're gonna wait for like a few seconds because it's going to be loading, and then it's gonna be saying complete on the top. So alright, it says complete. Now you want to get out of Cydia. Now you want to go to Instagram, and now you want to go to the account that you want the verification symbol on. Go to the settings right here, go to IG plus settings, and then go okay. So look. So when you press IG plus settings, you will see custom feed type. So you go all the way down to verified profile. Turn that on, and then go back, refresh your feed, and you have that symbol. So I'm gonna put this, for example, I'm gonna put cry baby, and then you will see it appear right here, cry baby, whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.